Hi, my name is Louise, and today I'm in my room in Hong Kong because I went back for winter break. And yeah, so I don't have like a real desk, so I'm just using like a table that you put on the bed. And yeah, so today I'm gonna show you how to do the galaxy background, like how to create like galaxy. So there's two ways of doing it. The first one, you either take a rocket and you go in space. The second thing is you just open Photoshop. You create a new document, and then you can choose whichever size you want. I'm choosing like width 1980 pixels and in height 1020, and I put it like in landscape. So here is the canvas. I'll call it like that. So we're gonna put the background black. So you check here if this is black. So you click on here, you check is it black, or you can just like invert it here. And after you click Alt, Delete, and then your background is gonna be the color that it's here. Then we're gonna go on Filter, Noise, add noise, and we're gonna put 400. Gaussian and monochromatic. Press OK. And after you're going to duplicate the layer. So you click right and then duplicate layer. You can name it whatever you want. I'm not going to name it. And then you hide it. And then you put the background active. After you go on Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. And then you're going to put 0.5. It's just like if you add a bit more blur, it's more like smooth and stuff, and it's not like sharp, and it's make it more natural. And then after you're gonna change the levels. So you put Control L on the keyboard, and then so this is the shadow, midtone, and highlight. So we're gonna put the shadow to 200, and it looks like stars. The midtone we're gonna put like 0.40, and yeah, that's it. So it looks like stars. We're gonna put the first layer active, and then we're gonna go on Filter, Blur, and then again Gaussian Blur, and then we're gonna put here 2. And then after we're gonna same as before, play with the highlight. So we're gonna do a Control L, and then we're gonna put in shadow 170, and in the highlight 172. See, it looks like bigger stars now. And then we're gonna press OK. So same as before, it should look like less sharp. We're gonna do like blur, Gaussian blur, and we're gonna put 1. So like this, like this is before and then this is after. So we're gonna go in channel, press the circular icon here, and then it's gonna select all the stars. And then after we're gonna go back in the layers, and we're gonna delete this layer because it's already like selected all the stars. And we're gonna add a new layer, and then after you're gonna add the new layer and then fill it in white. So you change here, put it white here, and then Alt, Delete, and then everything is supposed to be white. And then after you go and select and deselect, and then here is all the stars. So this is before and this is after. After we're gonna go in the FX here, add a glow. This is just to add a glow to the bigger stars. And after we're gonna put the color white. So you put like opacity 100, noise 0, color white, technique softer, spread 0, pixel 10. And normally everything should be already set up. And then you press OK. After, we're gonna merge layers. So you go on Control and you click on the 2 layers, and then you put like flatten image, and then it's gonna put like 1 layer. After, we're gonna add a new layer, and we're gonna fill it in black. So you do the same. So you go here, fill in black, and then Alt, delete, and it's gonna be all black. After, we're gonna go in Render, Filter, Render, Clouds, and in here we're gonna put Color Dodge. Where is it? Here. So this is the before and this is the after. So it looks like, yeah. After, we're gonna add a new layer, and here you're gonna choose the color blue, or whichever color you want. I'm choosing color blue. We're gonna use the brush, and we're gonna start painting. So you can use like a soft brush. The hardness 0%, and here the opacity like around like 20%, and put like the brush like a big brush. Let's put like 700, and then after, you just like start painting. And then you can paint as ever you want. You can be creative on that and choose a color and everything. After, we're gonna use another color, which is gonna be like a lighter blue here, and use like a smaller brush. So let's put like 600, and then just repeat on that. After, we're gonna go in Filter and use the Gaussian blur, and this one like use like a very higher blur, so it looks more natural. And after, we're gonna use the purple color. Well, I'm using purple, and higher the brush. So the brush is still be like soft round here, the hardness 0 and 20%. But it's just like the size that can change. And then after, you just put it like in small spot, not. And after, we're gonna use yellow to add a bit of like a glow. And that's it. That is our galaxy. You can add this galaxy in like photos you already took, and use like selection and put the photo on it and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you liked it, and I don't know how to end the video, but leave a comment and like the video. I don't know. Some people told me I need to say that, so okay. And yeah. Bye!